Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about this photo editing platform. So to get started with the comparison between Picsart and Remini AI. So to get started, Picsart is the go-to app for creative photos, editing, and design. It offers a full set of tools: AI background removal, filters, colleagues, stickers, text drawing, and even photo editing. It's great for creators who want to style their photos for social media, add artistic effect, or make custom content with AI-powered tools and templates. Picsart gives you total creative control whether you are a beginner or a pro. On the other hand, Remini is a built-in specifically for AI photo enhancement. Its core strength is taking blurring or low quality or old image and making them look sharp, clean, and detailed, especially faces. With just one tab, Remini uses a powerful AI tools to restore clarity, improve skin tone, and fix photo dictate. It's the ideals for portrait fix or old family photos or social media profile upgrade. However, it doesn't offer the same creative features as Picsart. So here's the comparison about these two platforms. So I'm going to give the overall comparison. So you can easily go with Picsart if you want full editing freedom with the design tools, effect, and creative option. But you can easily go with Remini AI if your goal is to enhance and restore photo quality with minimal effort. For creative edit, Picsart wins, and for fast, high-quality photo restoration, Remini AI is the top choice in that aspect. And that's it.